How to fix Ethernet connection Windows 11. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix Ethernet connection issues on your Windows 11 PC. If your wired internet isn't working properly, stay tuned because I've got a few quick solutions to help you get back online. First, let's make sure your physical connections are secure. Double check that your Ethernet cable is properly plugged into both your PC and the router or modem. Sometimes the issue can be as simple as a loose or damaged cable. Next, try restarting both your PC and your router or modem. A quick reboot can often resolve connection issues. To restart your PC, go to the Start menu, right-click on it, and simply select Shut Down or Sign Out and select Restart. For your router or modem, just unplug it for about 10 to 50 seconds and then plug it back in. Windows 11 comes with a built-in network troubleshooter that can automatically detect and fix connection problems. Go to Settings and on System and then Troubleshoot. Next, click on Other Troubleshooters, find Network Adapter and click Run. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to see if Windows can identify and fix the issue. Outdated or corrupted drivers can also cause Ethernet connection problems. To try to update your network drivers, right-click on the Start menu and open Device Manager. Simply expand Network Adapters and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software for all the network. Now, sometimes simply disabling and re-enabling your network adapter can solve the problem. To do this, press Windows plus X and select Network Connections. Find your Ethernet connection, right-click on it and select Disable. Wait a few seconds and simply enable it again. And that's all for today's video. I hope these solutions help you fix your Ethernet connection on Windows 11.